St. Aloysius College is growing leaps and bounds in the field of education.
SDM Law College recently conducted.
Scores of students were enrolled at St. Agnes College.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ
ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Welcome to Campus Eye, the show that brings you news from colleges in and around Mangalore. I am your host Wilson Pereira. Let's have a look on this week's headlines.
Fisheries College of Mangalore conducted an awareness program on responsible fishing in deep sea.
NSS unit of St. Agnes College conducts workshop on Swami Vivekananda.
London-based Skill Tree Knowledge Consortium confers Certificate of Excellence on Yenapoya University.
And in Campus Star, we have Miss Nelvita Nerona from St. Agnes College.
ನಗರದ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕಾ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಕಡಲ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಮೂಡಿಸಿದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವರದಿ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ.
ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಸದಾ ಗಿಜುಗುಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ನಗರ, ಕಡಲ ತೀರದ ಪ್ರದೇಶ. ಈ ಊರಿನ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆ. ಇಂಥ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಧ್ಯಯನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬಳಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿತಗೊಂಡಿರುವುದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪಶುವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಪಶು ಹಾಗೂ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಗಳ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಇದೇ ತಿಂಗಳ ದಿನಾಂಕ 24ರಿಂದ 26ರವರೆಗೆ ಆತ್ಮ ಎಂಬ ಯೋಜನೆಯಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯುತ ಕಡಲ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಮೂಡಿಸುವ 3 ದಿನದ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಗರದ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಭಾಗ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಹೊಯ್ಗೆ ಬಜಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀ ನಿತಿನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಟ್ರಾಲ್ಬೋಟ್ ಮೀನುಗಾರರ ಸಂಘ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಜಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ನಿಗಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಇವರು ಕಡಲ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಜಾಗೃತಿಯ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಹನುಮಂತಪ್ಪ, ತರಬೇತಿ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಭಾಗ ಇವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡರು.
ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆ, ಯಾಂತ್ರೀಕೃತ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಸುಮಾರು 50ರ ದಶಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಯಿತು. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚೆಚ್ಚು ಬೋಟುಗಳನ್ನು, ಯಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಬೋಟುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಒತ್ತಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಝೋನ್ ಎಂದು ಘೋಷಿಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮದು ಏನಾಯಿತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಯಿತು. ಸುಮಾರು 300 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಉದ್ಭವ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ ಬಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮೀನುಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಬಲೆಯನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸುಧಾರಣೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 70ರ ದಶಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 30ರಿಂದ 35 mm ಕಾರ್ಡೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾಲ್ ನೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಕಾರ್ಡೆಂಟನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಅವಾಗ 200 kg 500 kg ಮೀನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ ಫಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮೀನುಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಬಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರವೂ ಸಹ ಒಪ್ಪಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಗೂ ಈ ನೀತಿ ಸಂಹಿತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುನಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪಾಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸೂಚನೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ತತ್ವಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ ನೀತಿ ಸಂಹಿತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ಸ್ಯ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಬಳಸುವುದೋ ಅವರೇ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆಎಂ ಶಂಕರ್, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಡೀನ್ ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಯಾ ನಾಯ್ಕ್, ತರಬೇತಿ ಸಹ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕಾ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಭಾಗ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
A 4-day workshop on Swami Vivekananda's ideologies and street plays were held at St. Agnes College. The objectives of the program was to propagate social issues.
I am right now in front of St. Agnes College, Mangalore, where a 4-day workshop is being conducted on the spirituality of Swami Vivekananda. Campus I brings you more details.
The call of Swami Vivekananda, Awaken Arise, was the main theme of the UGC-sponsored NSS workshop. The workshop was inaugurated on July 21st and concluded on July 24th. The chief guest, Professor Gopal, while addressed the gathering, enlightened them about the objectives and importance of the NSS organization. The keynote speaker, Mr. Ramesh Umarani's thought-provoking speech on the ideologies and the key qualities of Swami Vivekananda to inspire the youth was well appreciated by the audience. Sister Prem Maria D'Souza, Principal of St. Agnes College, stressed on the importance of working for the upliftment of the society in order to build a secure nation where human rights are enjoyed by all. The workshop then witnessed various lectures and interactive sessions of Swami Vivekananda's ideologies, the basics for service motivation and different motivation sessions.
ಬೀದಿ ನಾಟಕ ಮತ್ತು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಐಡಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಜನರನ್ನ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಲವು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಿವೆ, ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ
Campus I caught up with Dr. Nancy Vos, the convener of the workshop, and Dr. Vijay Kumar to get their thoughts on the workshop.
The main objective of this workshop is to bring the ideologies of Swami Vivekananda to the youth, because as a young man he had really inspired a number of youth in the service of the nation. Along with the ideologies that we bring, we want them to empower, and with that motive in mind we have thought of empowering them with a number of techniques in bringing the message of Swami Vivekananda.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ತರಹದ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಪಿಡುಗುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಬೀದಿ ನಾಟಕ ಕೂಡ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The prestigious milestone was conferred on Enapa University for maintaining global standards and contributing to the growth of Indian education system.
The ceremony was held at the House of Commons of UK Parliament, where Yenapaya University, one of the only 20 top institutions recognized by Skill Tree Knowledge Consortium. Former Registrar of Yenapaya University, Dr. Ravi Vaswani, who were present for the award ceremony, spoke to Campus I about the Skill Tree Knowledge Consortium.
Skill Tree Knowledge Consortium is an organization, a part of a global consortium where they have the base in India in New Delhi. Skill Tree has a vision that there are many educational institutions in India that are matching global standards, yet Indian students go to study abroad. Their idea was that if we can showcase the top Indian institutions on an international platform. So this award was given to us at the House of Commons in the UK Parliament in London by the hands of Mr. Bob Blackman, the MP of Harrow East, in the presence of the esteemed House of Lords member Lord Swaraj Paul and Dame Asha Khemka.
The present registrar of the university, Dr. C.V. Raghuvir, shared the unique features of Yenapaya University, which resulted into achieve this milestone.
It was established in the year 2008 and it has 4 constituent colleges: the Yenapaya Medical College, the Yenapaya Dental College, Yenapaya Nursing College and Yenapaya Physiotherapy College.
Let's move on to Campus Star.
Good evening viewers and welcome to this week's Campus Star. This week we have with us an affluent public speaker, melodious singer and NSS volunteer, Miss Nelvita Narona. And now we have with us Miss Nelvita Narona. Good evening Nelvita. So for every Campus Star, there are certain achievements that lead to her being a star. What are your achievements ever since school?
Ever since my school days, I was interested in public speaking, so that is how I won many prizes in elocution debate competitions. And then my next interest being music, so I was a part of school band, and then I have gone for bands outside also. And then I was a Rashtrapati guide, so I won the Rashtrapati award in the guides. Then coming to degree, it was like all of them, my family, it's mummy and daddy, both are into NSS. So they were the NSS volunteers during their college days. So maybe that is what made me join NSS. But then when I joined NSS, it was just because they made it compulsory, you have to join an association, so I joined NSS. But then in my second year of volunteership, they told me you'll have to be the secretary, you'll have to lead your NSS team of St. Agnes. So that is how I became the secretary in the second year. And during August time, they called us for the selection for RD parade. So it was a long process from August till January. So I was the RD participant for 2014 from Mangalore University.
Wow, those were a lot of achievements. But obviously there has been some inspiration behind such achievements. What was your inspiration?
Yeah, so inspiration for all this is obviously my parents. my dad, Ignatius Neville Norona. He's a HOD of Commerce in Canara College. And my mom, Cleta Norona. She's an efficient homemaker. So what made me get inspired from them is their service. Okay, so this family, the Noronas, is known for their service all through. So that is how, and both of them were NSS volunteers. So because of them, I got to know about NSS associations.
Mr. Norona, I'm sure you're so proud of your daughter. What would you have to say about all her achievements?
The inspiration is not from me alone. It is the family behind it. My parents, what I got from my parents, I'm trying to hand it over to transfer to my children. What we got from NSS, maybe long back, from 1983 to 87, and now Nelvita continuing this. Awards was not our main goal at that time, but when you think about Nelvita, I thought that award is required.
We are very, very proud to say that they are our daughters. Nelvita, she is the vice president, and here again Nerissa, she is the school people leader of St. Jerosa High School. Both the schools, we are getting so much of respect just because of our daughters. They are recognized just because they are Nelvita and not Nerissa, not because they are the children of Neville and Cleta. So that's what we have to say.
Shining brighter than a diamond, Miss Nelvita Norona is a star in every way. That's all for this week's Campus Star. Over to you, Wilson.
That's all for this week's Campus High. This is Wilson Pereira signing off.
St. Aloysius College is growing leaps and bounds in the field of education.
SDM Law College recently conducted.
Scores of students were enrolled at St. Agnes College.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್